In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift struts on this BMW X5. This is going to be located underneath the hood. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel. Use a 13mm socket, and there's wing nuts on top. You just want to take and just turn those 90 degrees. And you can grab that panel and slide that out of the way. There's a bracket right here and a wire tie that goes around. You want to just take some side cutters and just cut that wire tie. Pull that off, grab the bracket, just pop this off, just like that, out of the way. Make sure you have an assistant holding the hood for you or have a prop rod just to prevent the hood from falling down before you take this off. Using a pick, I'm just gonna get underneath here, pop this clip out. And you can pop that off. We're gonna do the same down below. There's just a clip where it's secured in. Just use a pick or a straight blade screwdriver and pop that off. Now take the new hood support. We're gonna pop the lower part on the ball first. Just push that in place. And we'll twist this, get this lined up, lock it in place. And on this side, you're gonna have this clip. Clip that on. Now you're gonna take a new wire tie. And stick that in place. And trim the excess. I'm going to take this cover, slide this in place. There you go. That looks good. Tighten these wing nuts. Just turn them 90 degrees. And you can do the same on the other side, and then you'll be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.